In this video, I'm going to show you how to get API key from Google AI Studio. So go to Google and search for Google AI Studio and go to the first link, which is aistudio.google.com. Then go ahead and click Get API Key. In here, you will be able to see all the keys you have generated. Then you can create a key from here. Click on that. Give it a name. It doesn't matter what name you give. Then select the project you want, or you can create a new project here as well. But I'm going to select default Gemini project here. Then click Create Key. Once you've done that, you will be able to see the key has been created. Now to view the key, just click on the first part of the key. Then you can see you get all the API key details. Now you can click this button to copy the key, or you can click this button to copy the key. Also, if you want to delete this key, what you need to do is click here and click delete key, or you can rename the key if you want. Press delete key, click delete, and the key will be gone, and that key will not work for any of your projects. So thank you for watching. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel and see you next time with another video.